In today's video, I'll teach you how to use same-day delivery in Target. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in target.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Target. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to use the same day delivery, first of all add the item to cart. What you have to do is simply scroll down. You'll be able to find various items over here. If you do not find the item that you would like to purchase, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar. Now after you do that, search for the item. Now simply click on the item that you would like to purchase and click on the option add to cart. After you do that, what you have to do is go to the cart. For that, click on the cart icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the cart interface. You'll be able to find all the items that you've added to the cart over here. Simply find the item that you would like to be delivered on same day. After you do that, you'll be able to find various methods of delivery over here. You'll be able to find the options like shipping, same day delivery, order pickup, etc. Make sure to select this option for same day delivery. You can see over here, you'll also be able to find the time till which the item will be delivered. Also, you'll be able to see the price over here. Now after you do that, you can also change the location if you want. If you select the option for same day delivery, at top you'll be able to find this option for same day delivery. You'll be able to see the address over here. If you want to edit this address, what you can do is simply click on the option edit. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the address or store, or you can also change how you get items, or you can also save items for later and remove the item. If you would like to change the address, click on this option change address that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the address and shop. If you want to change the address, click on the field of address. Now after you do that, simply select the address of your choice or add a new address if you want. Likewise, if you want to change the shop, what you have to do is simply click on the shop. After you do that, you'll be able to select another shop over here. After you do that, click on the option done. So like this, you'll be able to select the delivery address and shop as well. Now after you're done, what you have to do is simply click on the option checkout and check out like you do usually. So that is how to use same day delivery on Target. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.